The Temporary Custody Agreement form is a document that certifies the transferring of custody rights from one person to another. After signing this agreement, a person that receives custody rights has full parental responsibility for a child or children as the legal guardian. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of a temporary guardianship form that you can easily complete online. This agreement consists of one page and only requires you to fill out a few fields. Begin by writing your full name and designating your child or children's full names and birth dates below. Next, name the person that is granted guardianship rights and write the relationship to the child or children. After that, indicate your and your children's guardians' addresses. Once every field in the temporary guardianship form has been completed and checked off, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you would like to do with your document next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.